Hello, Dubai! Uy! Wala amang kas Dubai, pre, uy!
Nani?
This is Bislig! Ay, kabala ka. Lingaw man diri. Bislig City, also known as the Booming City by the Bay, is a coastal city located on the southeastern coast of Mindanao, facing the Pacific Ocean. With 24 barangays, we can say this place has a lot to explore.
Sounds interesting, but I'm not convinced. Show me more.
First stop, welcome to Tinoyan Falls. Kani ang pinaka-main attraction diri sa Bislig. Makit-an diri ang dakuay na falls, bamboo rafts, pwede maliguan ug kada alas 9 tama na alas 11 na ay rainbow. Diba?
Pretty neat, but is this it?
We ain't stopping there, my friend. There's still more to see. Next stop, I love Bislig Monument. It is another colorful place in Bislig, a primary welcome marker, and a place where a camera is always needed. Makita nimo sa atubangan sa atong seawall ang Bislig Bay. Diba? Makita nimo ang grabe kanindot nga view from the sea to the sky.
Why are we sitting in a table?
Welcome to Ocean View. Grabe kanindot ang view dire. Kaso, taas ay ang hagdanan with 270 steps. Pero worth it man noon ang view of the Pacific Ocean. Naay international dollhouse and of course, naay restaurant. That's why nangingkot ta kay mga untaron.
Here's your food, sirs. Enjoy your meal.
That food was delicious, but where to next?
After the places, let us talk about the people. Bisaya is ilang common language. Naapoy kamayo, pero di ko kabalo. Anyways, let us talk about the people. Look at that guy. Let's talk to him.
Kami ang original na lumad diri sa mga kabukiran. Nagdumala sa among yuta sa pangasananan, a sacred domain. Naami rich na kultura, from our traditional weaving style to our respect to the spirit guardians.
Wow! Dutay di ba, Kin?
Yeah. Wow, indeed.
Naapay isa, Kin. Tara, ask na to. Uy, sir! Unsa ka?
Dung, I am a fisherman. Ako ang tigdakop sa atong main food, ang crabs ug isda. Para sa atong pagkaon sa Bislig. Kabalo ba ka na seafood ang atong main source of food? Mao nang nganong daghanay seafood diri sa atong palengke. Balo ba ka na?
I didn't know that. Thank you, sir. Hey, Father, is it alright if you can talk about Bislig according to the religion?
Hello, dear brothers. Let us talk about the religion of Bislig. Bislig is also known for a diversity. Sa atong mga relihiyon, from Catholicism to born again to the INCs. But let us talk about Catholicism since it's the majority in Bislig. Kita sa Bislig, ginabantayan ta for sa atong main Catholic Church nga St. Vincent de Paul Parish ug atong Santo Tomas Villanueva Church. You should join church someday. May God bless you, my brothers.
Thank you, Father.
Do you know that there are many festivals diri sa Bislig? We have Sinulog sa Parokya, Tinoyan Sayaw Festival, Karawasan Festival, Sinulog, and ang Lawigan Sunset Festival.
Wait, if this is Bislig now, what was it in the past?
Let us talk about popular history diri sa Bislig. The history of Paper Industries Corporation of the Philippines or PICOP. In Bislig City centers on its rise as Asia's largest pulp and paper mill. Ngunit grabe ka nga factory diri sa Asia, paingon. Followed by its eventual financial collapse. It was probably for the best since pollution is really common here back then.
I've heard about this before. I've also heard that the word Bislig comes from bislin, a type of tough, resilient forest vine that saved a local ruler from drowning in the river during an escape.
Well, Ken, that's the end of our tour around Bislig City. From the majestic Tinayan Falls and breathtaking Ocean View Park and the adventurous Hinayagan Cave to its rich culture, hardworking people, churches, festivals, and history, Bislig truly has something for everyone. Even if you just want to go away for vacation, daghan kayo pwede natuan, daghan kayo laganan, ug daghan pagkaon. Unyakin, Dubai?
No thanks, I think I'll stay here for a while.